little pecker.
Just a little guy, eh?
Oh, holy cow. Beautiful colors, eh? Oh yeah. Here, we'll put him in the water here, Mike.
That's not that tiny, really. A lot bigger than I thought it would be when you started saying it's tiny.
That is a barb.
If that's tiny, I can't wait to see a big one.
Yeah.
Dude, it's almost a foot and a half.
Let's get it. Oh. Just got the meat there.
Okay, hold him up like that again, Jim.
Yeah, I want to get a picture of this fish too, Jim.
Beautiful, eh? Come on, baby. Amazing things happen in amazing places.
Hold it up a little bit higher, closer to your face, so I can get both of them at the same time. Nice picture. Beautiful picture. Gorgeous fish.
Oh yeah.
19 inches.
Yeah, little guy. And no worse for wear.
No worse for wear.
The other one could eat that thing in one bite.
There. He's sitting right there, like he wouldn't even know.
Well, you'll be able to see now that you look at that fish, you see that little dark impression it leaves?
Yeah.
Look for that in the river. I think the pig is right out in there somewhere. Like, I got him right at the head of it. Can you zoom in on that? That's a nice little fly. That's what I just got that bully on. A home tie, do a few things. Put chenille on the head, I wrap the body. It's got lots of weight on it. It's got the barbell eyes. It's got some lead wrap running through the body, actually tin wrap, and a nice big rabbit strip, purple on top, white on the bottom. It sits like that. Looks to me like a little fish.
Hold it out. How long did it take you to make that one?
It's about a 12-minute fly. Pretty quick, actually. We're on him. I'll take my rod here, bro. You just keep that nice constant pressure.
It's not the big one. It's not the big one.
It's not?
Come on, Jake.
Too big. That's a decent fish, bud. Hey, Sparrow, off. First bully on the fly, bro.
It's my first bully ever. Holy heat.
Oh, wow. Beautiful fish, mate.
Well, we walked about a kilometer. Was that about a kilometer, you think, Jay?
Yeah.
About a kilometer from
maybe,
where we started. Just came from there, and sure enough, we found a really deep pool here, and 2, maybe 3 casts tops. Mike grabbed one. It's a big one too.
Powerful, eh?
Bring him in here, boys. Holy motherfucker.
You can keep her head up. You never want to rush them because they are so powerful. She's got that line right.
She's got that look in her eye, eh? Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Damn.
Dude. This is it. Well, he's maybe 22, dude. 23. I thought it was bigger. Come on, baby. Where's that? I know it sucks. But I gotta get this hook on. Talk about a fantastic view. This is what we've walked up so far. We're on quite a steep shale bottom. There's Corey down there. And Mike is right up there. Purest? Sparrow? Hey Sparrow, what do you think of this? Right beside me. Awkwardly perched on this. And so am I. Yeah, she's a long way down. She's a long way down.